Today, we've got another task, an interesting task, I believe. One that I've never done before. We are going to be trying our hand at restoration. This is an apple press, and apparently a not very well working apple press. It's got some doo-dah-dang problems. I don't know if it's meant to do that. It just did that. Our job is to fix said apple press. Attempt to fix said apple press. So that's the plan for the day. To figure out if we can fix an apple press. After all that, I figured out how to lock it. And now I'm just going to wire brush through it to try to stop the rust and make it work better. But the main problem we found is this wood gets stuck in the bottom because it's not round and it just jams in the corners. So I think the plan is just to clean it the best we can. Take off this wood, sand it, clean that up. Just clean the whole thing up. Because it works still. It's not clean. Completed sanding everything. It's all done. Missed some bits, but we're going to paint over it with like an anti-rust paint. So you're not even going to be able to see the metal, even though it looked quite good. Came up quite nice and shiny. I haven't sanded the wooden bits. Probably get to them before we paint it, so I don't nick any paint. But we're now a little bit delayed because I cracked this, and apparently it's like a metal mold piece, so we have to get specific sort of welding rods and stuff to be able to weld it properly. Other than that, now it's just a waiting game as far as I know. I'm guessing we could paint it, but I gotta sand it first. Got everything set up. Everything can't get paint clogged. Now, just mixing the paint. Just got to get it open. This is the type of green we're going to get. Actually, look that bad. Think about apples, apple press, kind of naturey. Kind of works. Makes sense. So we completed it, it's done. And now all we have to do is wait. There's some bits here that's been missed slightly, but we'll get them when we do the bottom, because we've still got to do like underneath parts. But yeah, that's it for today. Video done. Thanks for watching.